A middle-aged man was found dead under mysterious circumstances in Rajouri town of Jammu region. The 32-year-old man, identified as Raju, was found lying in Naban Mohalla locality of the town. He was taken to a hospital where he was declared dead by doctors. Two persons, including a firefighter, sustained burn injuries in a late-night Friday blaze in Srinagar, in which at least 7 houses and a couple of shops gutted completely. Fire broke out in a residential house in Chandrapura area of Srinagar and spread to other houses. A bookshop was also gutted in the incident. Indian police have attached property of a freedom activist in Doda district of Jammu region. The police attached the property of a freedom activist, Abdul Rashid, in Khanpura village to punish him for his affiliation with the ongoing freedom movement. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has condemned the killing of 2 civilians by Indian troops in Rajouri district. The civilians Kamal Kumar and Surinder Kumar were killed by the troops outside an army camp near Punj Rajouri highway. Mehbooba Mufti in a tweet said an impartial probe must be carried out to ensure that the culprits are punished. New Delhi-controlled state investigation agency seized more properties of Jamaat Islami in Ganderbal, Kupwara, Bandipora and Baramulla. The SIA has identified as many as 188 properties which are being seized during the further course of action to be undertaken. The action is aimed at punishing the organization for its role in the ongoing Kashmir freedom movement. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, headed by incarcerated senior APHC leader Shabbir Ahmad Shah, has expressed grave concern over the worsening human rights situations and confiscation of civilian properties by Indian troops in the territory. The DFP, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government had intensified its brutalities against the Kashmiris to punish them for challenging India's illegal occupation of Jammu and Kashmir. Senior APHC AJK chapter leader Muhammad Farooq Rahmani has paid glowing tributes to renowned leading commander of 1980s and 1990s Abdul Khalik Ganai alias Jamal Afghani. Abdul Khalik Ganai was arrested in Kupwara and martyred in custody on 15 December 1993. He had spent his youth in organizing people of Kashmir for cause of freedom and right to self-determination.